All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm so excited to share with you this brand new webcam that just came from Opal. If you haven't followed this company, Opal's making really cool webcam, and I have a couple of them. It's called Opal C1. It's actually the world's tiniest webcam in the world. One of the things about Opal is that they're actually putting in really good sensors into the webcam, so they actually feel like one of these mirrorless cameras, and it comes with this really long cord. So I'm going to try to take this thing out, and the idea is that you would just clip this onto your laptop. That's it. You take this cord out, then you just plug it into the side of your laptop, and then you just point it yourself, and it gives you crystal clear image. And they're so good. It has a whole application that they built called the Opal Composer, and it takes your raw footage and you can start to enhance it, add more brightness and contrast and whatever else, so that you can actually create the perfect image that you want. I'm not an affiliate, I'm not getting paid to do this, and during the holidays they actually gave away this tiny little box that is your travel companion. All right, so you can take this guy, put it in, and to me, like, this is super cool because sometimes I don't know where to put my stuff in, and I wish the back of this was unpluggable, but it doesn't seem like it. So we can just put it inside. Hopefully I'm doing this right. There you go. Now, I didn't watch any videos on their website on how to do this, but to me, I can carry this around virtually anywhere. If you're interested in improving your webcam, if you're interested in looking better on those calls that you're doing for client or work or employees, whatever it is, job interviews, you name it, I would highly recommend this company. Why? Because there is a small segment of the market that they're just people like me that are interested in getting better footage, doing a webinar from their laptop, recording YouTube videos, doing a Loom video where you want to look better because your environment looks good, but your webcam does such a terrible job, looking good because they're like a 720p or something like that. It's like 4K camera. I have an entire Sony setup. I set up to make short form videos from my desk. This camera has better colors than a Sony camera with all of its glory. And I'm recording on like an A7 IV right now. And they're not that big. You just clip it and that's it. Clip it and go. I'm an entrepreneur that likes to create content. I'm not here to just doing unboxing videos because that's my business. No, I use this to generate business for all the companies that I own and operate. And that's why I buy all this equipment and unbox and everything else. So I like to help entrepreneurs, or those people that like to create content. I want to help them make better content. And and I know not all of us have the ability to go and try every single product to find the best one. So you want to find something that's really good, you'd watch a video like this and just buy it, and it's the best one in the marketplace. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.